busted diffs, can't get them sorted out. Who's a good girl? All right, it's Monday morning. Back here in Atlanta, Georgia. Had to tow the E46 back to my shop to try to bring it home and finish this build. Busy week, just getting back in town with all the wandering. Gonna rip out all this shelving this week, figure out a better way to organize tools and maybe steal some more real estate for a car. It is winter and everything's starting to fall. You can see everything out here is covered in leaves. We got a bunch of tires to dump, another car to haul inside. Gotta shake that car back down, and here we go. Here's the week. You. Good enough for now. All right, now that I got all three cars out, I can navigate pushing that guy into the back corner, because until I get a diff dealt with on that, which seems to be a recurring theme for me with mechanics, it's gonna sit. So if you know a good diff guy, hook me up. Get into the car game, they said. It'll be fun. The truth is, it's a ton of fun. It's just a lot of work. But hey man, it's Monday, let's have some fun. All right, car Jenga is done. The Z's-in, Mustang, Ford, the Beamer. Yeah, pretty frustrating taking that to top level mechanics and the diff is still acting up. I should have paid the money, just let Z1 do it like an idiot, but here we are. Two busted diffs, can't get them sorted out. Super frustrated right now with this video, but it's the start of the week, it's a Monday, and this is the car game, so giddy up. All right, Tuesday at the shop. Finally got the last of the cars running, the old faithful Crown Vic. Burn like a kitten. Nothing too crazy, just ripping the shelves apart. Wait, what are you doing?
Getting ready to take this apart.
We are not ready to start cutting stuff. Put the saw down. We gotta finish cleaning all this out and then we can start cutting stuff up. Gotta keep track of the kids around here. They're getting all sorts of riffraff. All right, Tuesdays. All right, so it is Thursday at the shop. We're shooting a little, exploring with cameras, practicing with the car, and just working on seeing what shots look good and what don't. And this is a Thursday in the typical life. Hey, there's Kona, the faithful Pit. Who's a good girl? Kona. Hi, Kona. Who's a good girl? Yeah, she's a sweetheart. Yeah, today we are sliding around the 54 Ford Custom Line. Got to drive this for a dope driving sequence on a Wahlberg movie. We got Hav out here running camera. Yeah, buddy.
What up?
Woo. And this is Thursday.
Don't worry about me. I will get these out the way.
Alrighty. Copy. Not worrying about you. You will take care of yourself.
Yes, sir.
All right, now that we got car one back in, we gotta load back in all the other cars. Didn't see me do car Jenga earlier. That's okay. I didn't want to bore you with it again this week, but back inside they all go. Woo-hoo! Oh, hey, it's Friday, and we're gonna get in this here gym for a little bit, then go prep a car to go drifting tonight. Yeah, not too exciting. Might share a little bit of gym movement fun because it is a huge part of every day. Get up, wake up, move the body, make time to exercise. You gotta take care of yourself or you'll fall apart. And I am. You know what you're doing, and you already know these got to go back in, but if you don't know what you're doing, like I used to not, I'd learn that goes back in. Oh yeah, so it's Friday night, we're up here at Lanier at the Raceway. Got the Mustang out, old reliable, for a little Friday night drift. So we got Ray here, and we're gonna rip it up. Yeah, good times. Back over at the studio Saturday, loading up Rob's K5. Be fun to have that at the shop for a few weeks. All right, we got Rob loaded up. Smooth, easy. I might bite those words. Now we got to load up a cart that we're getting and a tool storage shed and yada yada yada. Well, had a loaded compartment, so we had to unhook. Oh, this is the fun of all this stuff. Hook up, unhook up, hook up, unhook up. You get to where you're just like, let's just do it. Okay, back here at the shop, we got the Bronco with us. Now it's time for Car Jenga. Okay, cars are off in storage. Now let's bring this guy back. Oh, the fun with the trees. Like most things, there's no shortage of stuff to be done. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna switch out this winch for this big old winch. Little one, maybe it's bad electrical, maybe it's just not strong enough, but struggles pulling cars up the driveway. Makes it really hard to load a car by yourself, so you always have to have somebody help push. So goodbye, hello, let's go. Now we're done with this. See ya. So pretty cut and dry. Got to drill 4 new holes and let's get it done. All right, randomly my brother showed up in town. And we're gonna go get a morning workout in with Paulie at AG Jiu-Jitsu over here in Fayetteville, Georgia. So total change of the Sunday plans. And
Sunday plans gotta change.
Sunday plans gotta change. So we're gonna have fun and get some movement in.
Movement.
All right, AG1. AG. I keep calling it AG1.
AG1, they were sponsored. Wrap the hip, come back to center, lift the chest, lift the head, up and across the body, tether up, up, up.
All right, we're back out here. It's Sunday morning. We ended up dead in the water last night, mounting the winch. Turns out, trying to put bolts in, we're hitting the edge there. It's not gonna fit in this real estate. So we had to go get a custom plate. Let's change, see if we can get this winch mounted. All right, so we're gonna put the winch on hold. Gonna get this last item out of here. This is gonna be its own adventure getting that out, and then he can clip that out of there, and we can get our week's goal done, which was to clear that out, get all that out of there. Mikey had to bail on today, so wiring the winch doesn't matter anyways. Yeah, here we go. Let's get this thing out here and figure out how to do it. All right, well, it took a little jerrying around and getting creative and bringing my dad in to deal with my stubbornness. But we got the motor out of the cubby. Yeah, I think it's on to cutting time. Clear all this out. New car real estate. Hopefully at the end of the day, we're backing the Z into this nice little nook and it actually fits. We'll find out if it fits. But yeah, there we go. Now watch us jerry this thing around. All right, I don't know what kind of real estate we're gonna have once this is all cut out, what's gonna go where. So for now, we're leaving it with the clustered pile of motors and parts and new cabinets and Ray Ray. What are you doing, Ray Ray? She doesn't know, but she signed up to learn how to drive, and now she's gonna start on the simulator because she's got to figure out my simulator. So no better way than to make sure you know how to drive it, and then we're gonna put her in a car. That'll be fun to watch. Okay, it is, I don't even know what time. End of the day, it's dark out now, and we got it done. So now let's see if the Z fits. All right, it's good enough. We can definitely fit this out through there. So I think that's all in all, super success, man. We're stoked. Come on. I mean, it's tight. But hey, Rubbin's Racing Cold Trickle, baby. Woo!